Hello,
my name is Christopher Limbrunner, and I am Key Account Manager at Pepperl+Fuchs. Today, I'd like to show you how to make a lone worker safe using our hardware and with no need for double staffing. Especially in the oil and gas, chemical and pharmaceutical industries, employees often work in hazardous areas. Specially certified hardware from the new Pepperl+Fuchs brand ecom lets you enter those areas without worry. But risks still remain. Anything from released gases to general risks like breaking your leg or having a heart attack. Using special software on our robust and explosion-protected devices, you can keep your lone worker safe. In this video, I'd like to introduce you to an overall solution that combines hardware and software. So, how does an alarm work? On the one hand, the application on the device communicates with the emergency center. On the other hand, the app uses the existing sensor technology and the buttons on the smartphone. We distinguish between two types of alarms. First, there's the voluntary alarm. The employee is still able to set off the alarm himself, for example, by using the red button. Then, there's the automatic alarm that can use the position sensor to detect if an employee is motionless for a long time in a horizontal position. Additionally, it's possible to set a timer that will trigger a pre-alarm once the set time has passed. If the employee does not deactivate the pre-alarm, another alarm is set off. The third option is an acceleration detection. The device is able to detect rapid acceleration within a short period of time. When it comes to software, we collaborate with different companies. Today, I'd like to show you a solution from our partner Swissphone. On this device, you can see the Swissphone applications. There's a bar in the middle that shows an overview of the parameters that are currently active. In my example, the localization and the man down are active. And you can see the yellow emergency button, which has the same function as the red button. There are also several settings options that allow alarms, countdown timers, and other features can be defined and configured. And you can use the home button to go back to the main menu and use the device normally. In the status bar on the top of the display, you can see that the app is still active and that the user is still protected while using the smartphone normally. Let's talk about the emergency center. In our example, the emergency center is running on an explosion-protected tablet from ecom. In companies, it is usually connected to the control room or the gates. It's also possible to outsource the emergency center control to service providers. As you can see, there are several personal alarm devices listed. Next to the status, you can see which person has been assigned to the device. Additionally, you can see the emergency calls, the incoming alarms, and at the bottom of the screen, there's an action plan that has to be executed in case of an alarm. Now let's simulate a man-down emergency. To do that, we'll put the device in a horizontal position. In effect, an employee is now lying on the ground motionlessly and not able to set off an alarm himself. After 30 seconds, the pre-alarm goes off. If the employee is unconscious and not able to switch off the pre-alarm or bring the device back to an upright position, an emergency alarm will be sent out automatically. Due to the loud alarm, employees around might be able to help immediately. Additionally, the emergency appears in the emergency center. There, an employee has to answer the call. On a map, he can see where the device is, which allows him to see where the employee is. The next step is to read the rescue plan so that the employee knows exactly what to do. This action plan is defined individually and set up with every company in advance. Now the employee can enter a protocol and save it to the archive. After that, he can complete the emergency call. In our case, the emergency was detected via GPS. But GPS is limited indoors, especially where there are several floors. So we offer another option. Bluetooth beacons allow devices to be detected with an accuracy of up to 1 meter indoors. The complete solution that you've seen now, combining hardware and software, is certified by the German Social Accident Insurance according to BGR 139. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching and see you next time.